ये क्या बनाया तूने मुझे? What is this? What is this? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest on my channel which I am going to introduce to you guys. So
Hi guys!
welcome. She is my sister Naman and today we are going to do
No arms makeup challenge!
yeah, you heard it right. We are going to do no arm makeup challenge. So I won't be using my arms. My arms will be
These!
so she will be doing my makeup. So let's start. So these are my arms. I am applying foundation and I am ready to eat that as well. So don't do in a dabbing sorry. Don't do it in a dabbing motion and you can eat that as well. It is tasty and you need to rub it like this. You know, you can see that. So keep your eyes closed and rub it all over your face. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. So rub it in your eyes. So after we are done applying the now we will be applying concealer and apply it where the highlighter is to be applied so you can conceal it. Yeah, so you will rub it with your fingers and make sure you put it in your eyes. Yeah, that's a good habit. So I'm applying concealer on the left eye to conceal my dark circles and highlighting points. You know, carefully put that in your eyes and rub it with your fingers. So now we will be going for blush. Yeah, blush is on point. You can do that. You can apply where your mustaches are. Yeah. And apply blush all over your cheek and put that brush in your mouth. So that is how you apply the blush. So the next thing we are going to do, this can be some dangerous thing, but we can apply. Close your eyes and see where you can put the eyeliner. And you can put that below your eyes. This will be perfect. You can draw as many shapes you can. So apply your eyeliner all over your eyes where your eyeshadow will be put. You can apply eyeliner and keep your eyes closed for around 2 minutes so it can dry. So it is dried. Now you can put lipstick. Yeah. You can put lipstick on your teeth as well. And draw mustache as well. It looks good. It's the latest trend, you know. Now you can apply highlighter on your apple of your cheeks. So it also in latest trend. It can go well with your lipstick and eyeliner. Now it's time to do mascara. So
Stop it.
So you can put mascara in your lips as well and your cheeks as well. So it looks good. No problem. Not at all.
Oh my god.
So now we will do our brows. We will be applying a brow pencil to our brows and making our brows look fuller and more good.
Then
So this is my makeup look. I hope you all will give this tutorial a big thumbs up and will surely subscribe to my channel for all these fun. And thank you to my makeup artist who did this
my
whole
God.
face of makeup. You can see how beautiful it looks. It's so beautiful. I cannot get any of this makeup done in any parlor. This is the one and only one kind. She should be celebrity makeup artist. It's very good. So please give this video a big fat thumbs up and do join our family, our YouTube fam. Do subscribe to this channel and video request. Leave that down below in the comment section as well. And I will meet you in my next video. Bye bye.